Yes.
Yes, it is a willful disobedience of your
Yes,
lordship's
yes,
order.
yes. What is your
Your lordship's order was to stop the further deduction of some commutation value of pension. That was passed in October. And in the meantime, 5 months have passed, and Pico Bank has not yet stopped the deduction of the installments.
so you the order was communicated to them?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you say? Apparently, just allow him to speak. Huh? Just use the next microphone. Yes, yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lord? The order was, as far as my instruction goes, order was not communicated to the bank. I am on behalf of the bank. I have appeared in this matter. I have filed my counter affidavit. This order was not communicated. But Your
So
Lord,
yes, what do you say, sir? He's saying that order was not communicated. How do you?
I am having both the registered letter copies and also the mail copies where it has been communicated to the bank. Already registered mails has been served and mail has been received by the bank. It is a matter of 5 months, my lord, not for a month or a two.
Yes, Mr. Rai.
yes. Your Lordship, I will apprise of the background of this case.
No background.
In the
Are you sure you are arguing the contempt or the writ petition?
no, Your Lordship, the facts of the case.
Contempt.
Contempt, as far as my
asking-
instruction goes, Your Lordship, I have not. The bank has not given us any instruction.
You see, he has shown you the registered letter at the mail.
No, I have not seen. He is showing it, but he has
So
not-
you take instruction. You see,
okay.
first
Your
of all,
Lordship,
first of all, either you are going to be punished or not punished.
yes, sir.
I am not hearing on merits as far as the writ is concerned.
Yes, sir.
He is saying regarding the interim order being violated.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll
So
take
there nothing there to be considered
Your
on
Lordship.
merits also.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll take instruction, but my humble submission, Your Lordship,
I'll record that you are not answering the contempt. You see,
No,
at times what I am finding when I am trying to explaining something to a lawyer, they take it as if it is a deliberation. No, this is not in my interest. This is in lawyer's interest.
I will bow down, Your Lordship.
Yes. So I will record that even repeatedly asking that you to answer the contempt why I have violated the order. You are not answering that. I will record today that you have not received. That part I will definitely do.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But I am not taking up the writ petition.
No, not the
Yes.
petition.
Yes.
In similar matters, contempts were also filed before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. No, yes, sir. The Supreme Court has stayed those contempts.
Sir, here this has not been stated, sir. You are.
No.
I'll record that also.
And a similar matter.
That I will also record.
No, Your Lordship. Just
See,
my submission. Your
Your
Lordship.
submission, I have to record that.
Yes.
You have to make it with all your seriousness.
And in the similar matter, we have filed a writ appeal also, which is pending, which was on board on 10th and 11th, yesterday also.
Have you got any stay order? You have to say on that.
Yes. Lordship,
You have to. You see,
it was on
filing
board,
of
but
a
could that be
filing of a
taken
writ appeal.
Yes.
Passing of stay order, staying the Punjab and Haryana High Court order is not to operate as far as High Court order is concerned.
Apex Court has stayed it.
Correct. Staying of Punjab and Haryana High Court's order by the Apex Court
Yes.
doesn't work for the Odisha High Court. You see, you are propounding a new jurisprudence.
No,
You see this.
I'm just getting
so
to the
so you are
notice
also
of the
very
Honorable
careful.
Court.
You are very
I'm
careful.
just-
You are not saying the order has been stayed. You are saying similar orders have been stayed. There are every day so many orders being stayed, similar orders passed by several high courts.
Because they had relied upon that Punjab and Haryana High
They
Court.
could not have.
And had persuaded this present writ petition.
They could not have.
Yes, Your Lordship. I will just point out.
You are talking about them or yourself?
No, them.
I'm asking about yourself. Again, there is a problem.
No, contempt.
Your clients, the banks could not have relied on the Punjab and Haryana High Court order. I'll record that.
Yes, Your Lordship. They have relied upon that order.
Your bank has relied on Punjab and Haryana High Court being stayed, and that is how not complied with the order.
No, Your Lordship.
Then why you are saying all these things?
That is one part that I have to check up whether we have received that or not. I'll get back, Your Lordship. On the next date, I will get back on that issue. Whether we have
You want your submissions to be recorded or not? Finally, you tell me. I'll record your submissions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Ramesh Chandra Naik for the petitioner, contempt Lekhantu. Mr. Tapesh Roy for the alleged contemptor. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that there has been deliberate violation of the court's order, inasmuch as after communication of the order by email and registered post with AD,
Yes, my lord.
registered post with AD, the receipts of which have been filed, and the copy of the email has been enclosed to the petition. There has been further deductions in violation of this court's order, interim order dated 1st of October 2024. Mr. Roy, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the alleged contemner, submits that he has no instruction regarding whether the orders have been received. It is submitted that similar orders passed by another High Court, that is Punjab and Haryana, High Court of Punjab and Haryana, has been stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. It is further submitted that which has been filed or writ appeal has been filed in this matter.
No, in similar another matter where the contempt has also been filed.
In another in a similar matter against the order dated dash in WPC number dash, the bank has filed writ appeal pending before this court. On being specifically asked whether anything turns on these submissions regarding non-compliance of the order passed by this court dated 1/10/2024, Mr. Roy fairly submits that nothing may turn on this. Nothing may turn on regarding his submissions made today as far as non-compliance is concerned. And more so, it is an interim order.
Yes, sir.
And
Your Lordship, the coordinate
I'll
bench
not
of this
speak-
Honorable High Court on 20th of January 2025, on his request, had also directed to list other matters along with this. That order is also there.
how is it relevant, Mr. Ma? I don't understand this. The question is why you have violated 1st of October 24 order. You are saying everything except the reason why you have violated.
No, that is one, but my humble submission, that is,
Obviously,
that
you are-
I'll take
You
instruction
see,
whether we have received, and if we have received, we have not complied. That
no, if you have violated, why not comply? You have no option unless there is a specific bar.
yes, sir.
There is a specific statutory bar or bar by the Supreme Court. Stay. Suppose this order is stayed by the Superior Court or Appellate Court. Well, violating of High Court's order is not available in our constitutional mechanism.
I vote.
Maybe a bank or so, whoever so may.
I'm aware of that.
My
You should
lord,
advise your client accordingly.
Yes, my lord.
Your Lord.
Your first office, because you are an officer of the court, you are appearing for the bank.
No, Lordship, because this brief
court-
was transferred to me recently.
Whatever.
So,
Whatever.
I'm not aware of it, but
My
I'll
lord, I
definitely-
beg to submit that other banks, they have complied. Similar matters, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, they have carried out the interim stay order. But how UCO Bank can dare to defy this order of stopping these deductions? At least they should first carry on the honorable court's order.
Anyway, it is for them to decide what they can do. I'm giving you another opportunity. At the request of Mr. Royal London Counsel for the opposite party bank, OP number कितने हैं अपना? 3, OP 3.
2 and
No,
3
3
and
and
4.
four.
3 and
3 and 4, the matter stands adjourned. List on next केबे अच्छी है हमरा? List on 26/3/2025. Liberty to mention, liberty granted to the either of the parties for to mention the matter for before the assigned bench. So right now the assignment is this bench, content matter. Okay. Last continue.
My lord, can it be next month, April 1st week?
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, I have no objection, but at least in this month's salary, they should carry out your honor's order. In
No, if they play with fire, they must know what is the consequence.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. It can be.
If they are playing with fire by
Yes,
in so many means. Yes, Mr. Gochayat, what is your submission?
My lord, I am appealing for in the writ, my lord, OP number 1 and 2, man.
Okay. In the content petition, who are the opposite parties?
The bank,
Bank only.
CMD and the MD. 3 and 4.
You have no role played, no role to play.
No.
Mr. Gochayat, Lawrence CGC, appears on behalf of OP number 1 and 2. He submits that they have the opposite parties. They have not, the opposite parties 1 and 2 have no role to play as far as compliance of this order, court's interim order dated 1st of October 2024.
Extra copy maybe, sir.
You have received notice. Have you not received notice?
Just to communicate.
The pleading, you see, you are talking to somebody who was also there in the bar.
No, Your Lordship.
They could not have.
Requesting my learned friend that
Yes.
if he can give
Yes,
me
my
a
lord,
copy so that
I can give one more copy, no problem.
No, contempt, no, notice has not been issued. Acha, you said that. The contemporary order ta lekhontu tapare, ago likhibe hard issue notice to the opposite parties, unless contempt no 3 and 4, why appropriate action shall not be initiated against them for violation of the interim order passed by this court dated 1st of October 2024. Mr. Roy, learned counsel, appears on behalf of opposite party number 3 and 4 and waives notice. He submits that since he has already appeared for those opposite parties in the connected writ petition, he may be provided with extra copies of the content petitions. Yes, you advise them accordingly. You see, and you see, this is something very unusual also. When an order is interim, you can always appear here and tell the court, and the notices have been issued to you have appeared. In the writ petition, have you not appeared? Are you not aware?
Writ petition we have appeared.
Yes. Then what is the reason for not complying with the interim order?
Yes, sir.
Is it a final adjudication? It is not a final adjudication even.
But this will have a cascading effect
Not at all.
throughout India. Your
Not at
Lordship.
all. Not at all. Cascading effect is the last, not even the last straw before you sink. How can a a order in personam will have a cascading effect? Let us because I have dictated the order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
X comes to this court. He is what? His name is Ashok Kumar Mohanty. He files a petition in personam. Order is passed in personam. How it can have a cascading effect?
Because there are group of cases.
Cannot be.
There are group of cases, and the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which has been
Ashok
relied
Kumar Mohanty, you find out. If there is any other petitioner, you find out from the writ petition who are the parties. You see, you go on imagining things.
No, Your Lordship. It is on.
Please look at the writ petition. You are having it.
Yes.
Who is the petitioner?
Ashok Mohanty.
Ashok Mohanty.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So why should you bother about anyone else citing about anything else? You bother about Ashok Mohanty and the order and the person.
Similar 10 interim orders have been obtained from this honorable court.
Mr. Roy, it may be 10 or 100, but you are concerned with the order dated 1st of October 2024, passed in WPC 22640 of 2024,
Yes, Your Lordship.
which involves a single person. This is an order in personam. It is a service matter. There are so many decisions that it's not.
No. This is with regard to the pension rules.
Whatever it may be, sir, the content, it relates to adjudication of pension rules.
Yes.
But as far as Ashok Kumar Mohanty is concerned, he has not raised any issue other than his pension.
After 10 years of retirement. After 10 years of retirement.
Please don't change the course of discussion.
No, Your Lordship.
You see, you are changing the course of discussion. The issue is whether you are concerned with Ashok Kumar Mohanty's pension or you are saying all India ramification.
This will have a ramification throughout.
You could have, suppose you have that doubt also, you
Yes.
could have filed that IA here.
I'm not.
Suppose your client, your client is having doubts that it is applicable pan India. You
Yes.
could have got a sort of clarification from this court. Suppose you are having that while taking up the matter of Ashok Kumar Mohanty in this writ petition, the entire India's case has been taken up. That is your contention now. Because it has a very cascading effect. You should have sought for a clarification. At best.
808 cases in similar nature
Maybe 8,000 cases, Mr. Roy.
have been disposed of.
You are submitting everything else.
Pilot,
You are submitting everything else apart from explaining why you have violated the order.
No, Your Lordship. I bow down. That aspect I am not.
Obviously.
I am just apprising the honorable court.
You see,
What has
you
led to this?
want variation of the order. You follow the procedure. Should I have to advise
No,
the bank, or I am a judge here sitting for adjudicating?
I would. So the date may be fixed to first week of April. That is my prayer, Your Lordship.
No, the difficulty is that I don't have dates. I have only a single date in Wednesday. ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ଚାରି ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି କେତେ ତାରିଖ ହେଲା 26 ରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ଛୁଟି ଅଛି ତ କେତେ ଗୁଡାକ ଦିନ
what can be done because you have violated the order deliberately will the time improve
No, Your Lordship. That is not-
deliberate violation of a court's order doesn't improve anything in the guise of garb of cascading effect pan India ramification 888 cases have been filed how does it concern Ashok Kumar Mahanti or this court
because
your contention is it's to be out that this order touches everyone just Mr. Roy you must imagine with all seriousness that you are arguing this order as a pan India ramification it touches every order there have been 10 or 20 writ petitions filed how does it matter
My Lord,
you look at Contempt of Court Act
my Lord,
where it is written that whenever more than one petition is filed order is not to be complied with what you are saying
my Lord, just a minute.
Make
My Lord, if
submission, Mr.
permits
Roy.
me, I will just make a submission if permitted, Your Lordship.
No. You see, don't pretend that as if I have not permitted you.
No,
You are not answering. You have said something to the court. You are rather saying that court should not respond to that. You show me a provision in the Contempt of Court Act which says that if a order is passed regarding a particular matter and about 110 petitions are filed, the order is not to be complied with.
No, Your Lordship. I am not absolutely not into that. No, I
So
will
that
fi-
is how
I will
Mr.
fi- I will
that is how
definitely
Mr. Roy
advise them. I will
that
definitely
is how Mr.
advise
Roy
them.
I asked you if you want to make a serious submission I'll record it but you are not agreeing there I'll record this that as per the provisions of Contempt of Court Act the order could not have been complied with or some order is there please appreciate that we are not in kind of a general discussion and
No.
more so we are now live in YouTube and all these things this is not a general drawing room conversation that you say that this is our perception there are 100 cases 888 throughout India and this is a case
All disposed of.
whatever
Why?
it may
Why
be,
I am
whatever
making
it
this
may be
submission, Your Lordship?
sir you see you are addressing a court on why you have not complied a interim order noticing you the interesting part is that noticing you and the order is of 10th of October we are in March and you are repeatedly saying that I may be permitted to say something at least I expect something a response from you from whatever you are discussing deliberating in the court so that I can record that yes there is a provision which prohibits that it cannot be passed fair enough
Because this being a statute, judicial interference is uncalled for. What has been decided by the
it
other
is submitted by the learned counsel that this being a statute judicial interference is uncalled for
already decided, Your Lordship,
already decided in
by that Punjab and Haryana High Court judgment, which they had relied upon.
We have not relied
by
upon
the Punjab and Haryana High Court
Had
judgment
annexure 2.
We have relied upon 5 judgments.
Yes.
in considered opinion of this court such contention is misconceived as the contempt petition has been filed alleging non-compliance of an interim order which has with notices being issued to the opposite parties number 3 and 4 without there being any adjudication on merits. There has been no petition for variation of any interim order. Despite issuance of notice on 1st of October 2024, the opposite parties have not yet filed their counter.
We have filed our count.
Have filed their counter.
Yes, sir.
Have filed their counter by affidavit dated (14th of February 2025). Yet there has been no petition for variance or modification or recall of any order. In such view of the matter, issue notice to the opposite party why appropriate punishment shall not be imposed in terms of the Contempt of Courts Act for deliberate and willful violation of the order dated 1st of October 2024. Yes, when do you want?
In the first week of April, Your Honor.
List on today's
12th.
12th of March. List on 19th of March 2025 for hearing on quantum of punishment. So if you, it is also noted that despite giving an opportunity to the opposite party to file their show cause, the learned counsel for the opposite party number 3 and 4 insisted on hearing of the matter as far as contempt petition is concerned. Read petition. Read petition, when do you want? Yes, when do you want the read petition to be listed?
But taken up on that date.
ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଲେନି କି କୋଉଟା ଯୋଉଟା 19th. It is submitted that by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the matter may be listed on 2nd of April. Counsel for the opposite party number 3 and 4. The BLAPL was disposed of by order dated 10th of February 2025. I had directed the registry to obtain up-to-date status of trial from the learned court in session of the matter. Accordingly, the learned court in session of the matter by letter dated 14th of February 25 addressed to the registry has indicated the present status of trial. The report is placed in the file marked as flag K. Since in view of the order dated 10th of February 2025 having been complied with regarding the present status of the case, no further listing is necessary. Yes, next please.
Item 3,
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. Dasmal and senior counsel, I'm praying for adjournment. Well, on behalf of Mr. Dasmal and senior counsel, I'm praying for adjournment.
Sir Muhammad Paradis, on behalf of the petitioner, he submits that the matter may be adjourned due to non-availability of the learned senior. Matter is adjourned accordingly.
Oblige me.
Yes, please.
item 4,
Any matter from 4 to 10? Anyone present? The serial account. Then 5. 4 ta
Item
simply
5.
adjourn kar din. 4 simply adjourn.
5,
adjourn कर दियो
6,
I'm also praying for this.
प्रॉब्लम है ना शरद घोष तो नाहंती शरद घोष चली गेलेनी ताको
Yes,
ना
sir.
न कोन लिखिबे
And for the appeal number 1, we will take instruction, Lordship.
5 ना 6 कहउचंदी
Item 6.
नहीं 5 टा से पचाउछन एक्चुअली सॉरी 5 रे वकील के कोन करे यस मिस्टर महांती व्हाट कैन बी डन मिस्टर शरद घोष इज नो मोर देयर पी मिश्रा पीके राउत मे बी तांको पचाले से कहि परिबे 6 यूसी के एडजर्नमेंट
So, Lord,
आपन को नाटा
Abhishek Pradhan.
Mr. Abhishek Pradhan for the petitioner, 6 adjournment due to non-availability of the learned senior. His learned senior matter stands adjourned. 7
7,
adjourned.
8,
Petition in all these matters, Mr. Mohanty or Mr. Swain.
Fine. From 6 to 10, 6 to 10, Mr. Fine.
Acha 1 to 5, Mr. Mohanty, AGA. 6 to 10, Mr. Sanjeev Swain. D. Mohanty, AGA. 6 to 10, Mr. Sanjeev Swain, AGA. Yes.
item 8, 9,
Mr. Parija. अच्छा अनुगुड़ा कर दियंतु जोथरे अपीयरेंस हेलेनी पिटिशनर जोथरे लिखिछन आपण अपीयरेंस लिखले पिटिशन नॉन कर देबे and I am Mr. NP Parija for the petitioner, Mr. Sanjeev Swain AGA for the state. Adjourn. Simply adjourn. Date किसी तरह दरकार. Listing problem हो. Then Mr. Divedi. Petitioner done, Mr. Sanjeev Swain AG. Adjourn. None appears for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned. Pass over. Thank you.